and the view above me is something insane. Look at this. Wow. That looks like an alien spaceship. Alright guys, that's been a nice dinner. Let's go. Okay, so we are home guys. And yeah, I'm gonna go upstairs and continue cleaning my room because my room really needs to get fixed. Like, I'm sick of it. It's been like this for a month. We've traveled, we've come back, and I'm still in the process. So we still have like about 2 hours. So we might go and do that. But before I go, I need to show you someone special. It's Mommy! Guys, come here. Mommy Mo, where have you been?
I've been to the garden all days. I make a video, guys. Some of them fell. And
Oh yeah. So my mom has been working super hard on her projects, and I need you guys to go and see what she's talking about. So go to her page right now. Wow, that's a loud sound. Go to her page and check out what she's talking about, because disaster struck, but in the end it came out really good.
And I make it again, you know, guys.
It was a big project. She had to do it like 2 times, guys. It's really hard. So you need to go support her, show her some love, tell her Lana sent you. I mean, she's right here, of course she knows, but go to her and follow her on her Snap, and it's yummy stuff. Okay, is there anything to show from your stuff?
Yes, I have this
قديش عملتي فلوس الشهر؟
Clip of it?
clip of
Okay, she'll give me a clip. I'll just post it and you guys can see. Alright guys, go check her out. Alright guys, back in the kitchen, and we're gonna make my late night favorites, which is chocolate milk. Oh my god, my allergies are coming back, guys. So let's put this here. Reminder to fix my nails tomorrow. Let's see if I can get an appointment. Okay, so there we go. Just half a cup, guys. Oh no, here we go. Okay. Like, it's been a busy last few days, so I hope you guys enjoyed though. But yeah. It's mixed. It's normal milk chocolate mixed with dark chocolate. She's like trying to get up. Luna, hi baby. My okay, it's like sleep time for me and Luna right now, so we need to go upstairs. I have to wake up super early, guys. We have to wake up 8 o'clock. If I can wake up earlier, I will, but depends what time we sleep. So Here we go. Let's go. Okay, guys, I'm taking her upstairs to sleep, and we're also getting her food, her late night dinner. This is how it is. I have a baby, so we're gonna get her dinner. This is Sparky. Hi, Sparky. Hi, cutie. Okay, let's go. Mommy, show them. We have her dinner. You ready to go?
Good
You
night.
wanna walk upstairs yourself?
Yeah, good
You're a
night.
big girl, right? Come. Go. Go upstairs. Upstairs. Nappy time. Nappy time. Wait, let me get my bag. Hold on. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. Wait for me. I'm coming. Okay, it's nappy time. Wait, let me put this plate here. Alright, let's grab the bag. Thank you. Like the keys.
هل تريد امتلاك؟
Here we go. You want to... I keep hitting everything here. I'm so tired today. I really want to sleep. Okay, guys? Let's just change. I'm gonna say goodnight to you guys, because... What was that? What happened, Mommy? Are you good? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? I don't know why she's crying. Are you okay? Why are you crying? What happened? It's okay. Don't cry. You're a strong girl. Come. Come, Mommy. Come. Come, come. Come. Be good. Okay, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed today. Yes. Yes. Okay. Oh, that hurts. Baby, your claws are in my leg. Ah, ow. Baby. Baby. Okay. Alright, guys. I'm gonna go. I hope you all enjoyed today. It's time to say good night. We love you. We do. Isn't that right, Luna?